Greetings, stranger. How can I help you?
Upgrade my sword. I'll have to slaughter someone dead, sharpen the edge, and put an enchantment on it.
Oh, beautiful blade. Gorgeous shape. Forged by Jotun, I assume. Don't worry, I'll make it good as new. Done.
You hit it twice with your hammer.
Indeed, the sword will slice through undead with ease now. The gentleman can now pay and continue his journey.
Don't fuck with me.
Look, this is how it works. We can't have the player wait while I grind on the spinning cheese wheel, okay? I smack it with the hammer. Stats increase. I swear on the gods, above and below.
I know enchantments and you didn't put any in.
I look like a fucking mage. I have some dried prunmigi piss. I spread it on the hammer. It sparkles in the air when I hit something.
So it's all fake?
No, it's not fake. It's an enchantment. It boosts the confidence of the warrior. And confidence brings results. So take it or leave it.
Thank you for your help.
Now, my services aren't...